Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice. And today you are shadowing with me, Mark. Yes, like a real shadow that follows you wherever you go, you will be my shadow. All right? That is, you will not repeat after me, you will speak at the same time as I do. For example, here's my arm, and there is the shadow against the whiteboard, right? There's the shadow of my arm. As my arm moves up, my shadow moves up. As my arm moves down, my shadow moves down. My shadow is moving at the same time as I am. So you will be my shadow. You will speak at the same time, right? And by doing that, you are using two skills. You are using your listening skills and speaking skills at the same time. Yes, you are. It's a challenge, but that's why you are here. Yes, that's right. You are here to challenge your English, to practice with me. Let's practice together, shall we? Okay, great. And today's topic is already, yet, still. Already, yet, still. For already. Tell someone something they did not know. Tell someone something they did not know. Yet, it has not happened up to a specified point. But think it will happen. All right, one more time. Yet, it has not happened up to a specified point, but think it will happen. All right, and still, two meanings here. Has not taken place, continues to happen. Has not taken place, continues to happen. Okay, great. Those are our topics, already, yet, still. And here are the shadowing cards. Yes, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cards. All right, so we will shadow these cards together, and we will have 2 steps. Step 1, we will shadow each card 3 times, but I'm not going to show you the sentences. You will not see the pictures, all right? You're just purely shadowing, okay? You're listening and speaking without any context, without any help from the words or the sentences, all right? However, in step 2, we will shadow again each card 3 times, but then I will show you the card. You will see the sentences, you will see the pictures, and we will talk about each card according to the meaning, right? Okay, so are you ready? Yes? Okay, let's shadow together. Whoops, first I'm going to have some water here for my throat. Okay, okay, are you ready? I'm ready. Let's count down to card number 1. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The hamburgers are already on the grill. The hamburgers are already on the grill. The hamburgers are already on the grill. Card 2. Has the snow melted yet? Has the snow melted yet? Has the snow melted yet? Card 3. I'm still waiting for the ticket to arrive. I'm still waiting for the ticket to arrive. I'm still waiting for the ticket to arrive. Card 4. I've already reached the top. I've already reached the top. I've already reached the top. 5. I haven't won yet, but I will. I haven't won yet, but I will. I haven't won yet, but I will. Okay, 6, card number 6. She still hasn't gotten on the horse yet. She still hasn't gotten on the horse yet. She still hasn't gotten on the horse yet. 7. I've already finished that book. I've already finished that book. I've already finished that book. Card number 8, last card. He is 30 and still plays video games. He is 30 and still plays video games. He is 30 and still plays video games. Okay, good. All right, well, now, okay, you didn't see the cards, right? You didn't see the sentences. How many of these cards did you understand? How many didn't you understand? So now, in step 2, we will shadow again, and I will show you the cards. You will see the sentences. You will see the pictures. You will understand the meaning, and you will be able to self-check yourself. Oh, yeah, I knew that one. Oh, I didn't know that one. All right, so you will be able to self-check yourself. Okay, here we go. Round number 2. Let's count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The hamburgers are already on the grill. 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 Okay, so already, tell someone something they did not know. Okay, so so maybe surprise. Okay, you're at a barbecue and you're telling everyone, okay, the hamburgers are already on the grill. Oh, all right, I'm hungry. So you're telling people something they did not already know. Okay, so the hamburgers are already on the grill, right? So you're telling you're at a barbecue. Okay, everyone, the hamburgers are already on the grill. Wow, that's fast. Oh, good, I'm hungry. Okay, card number 2. Has the snow melted yet? 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 Okay, so has the snow melted yet? Yet has not happened up to a specified point, but think it will happen. Okay, so has the snow melted yet? Has the snow melted yet? So we know the snow will melt, right? We know that. It will happen, but not yet. It will happen, but not yet. The snow is still on the ground. Okay, card number 3. I'm still waiting for the ticket to arrive. 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 Still waiting. Has not taken place. Oh no. I'm still waiting for the ticket to arrive. So the ticket hasn't arrived yet, right? It's not at my door. It's not in my mailbox. I'm still waiting for the ticket to come. It has not taken place. Okay, 4. Card number 4. I've already reached the top. 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 Okay, tell someone something they did not know. I've already reached top. Wow, that was fast. Wow, you did that fast. I didn't know how fast you can climb a rock. So I've already reached the top. So this person is telling his friend or her friend, wow, I've already reached. That person did not know. The friend did not know. That friend was surprised. Wow, that was fast. Okay, here we go. Card number 5. I haven't won yet, but I will. 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 Yet has not happened up to a specified time, but think it will happen. So this person has not won yet, but feels confident they will win. All right, so the person hasn't won yet, not up to this not up to now, but in the future, this person feels confident that they will win. Okay, number 6, card number 6. She still hasn't gotten on the horse yet. 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 Whoa, we got 2 in one sentence. Wow, we're using 2. Woo, okay. Still has not taken place. She hasn't gotten on the horse yet, so it hasn't happened. It has not taken place. She's still off the horse. She's still never gotten on the horse yet. But it will happen. But it will happen. So it hasn't taken place, but it will. It will. Okay. Card number 7. Number 7. I've already finished that book. 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 All right, already tell someone something they did not know. I've already finished that book. Wow, that was fast. I didn't know you already finished that. Wow, that was fast. I did not know that. So again, tell someone something that they did not know. Oh, I've already seen that movie. Whoa, you've already seen that movie? I didn't know. Oh, I've already been to that restaurant. Wow, you've already been to that restaurant? Wow, I didn't know that. I've already read all of Stephen King's books. Wow, I didn't know that. Wow, that's a lot of books. Okay, so tell someone something they did not know. Okay, and here we go. Card number 8. Let's count down. Last card. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He is 30 and still plays video games. 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 Still. Okay, so continues to happen. So we're using still for continues to happen. Continues to happen. So this person is 30 and still playing video games. Maybe you are too. Maybe many people even older than 30 still play video games. I don't know. Do you still do it? Does it still happen? Are you continuing? You didn't stop because you're now 30 or now you're 40, so you stopped playing? No, you are still playing. Okay, good job. He is 30 and still plays video games. Maybe that's you. Okay, great job, everyone. Yeah, we did it together. You and me shadowing these cards. Yeah, and I hope now after shadowing the cards, you understand how to use already. You understand how to use yet. And you understand how to use still. And we practiced the pronunciation together. We did it together, you and me. So great job. Thanks so much. And if you like my videos, if you like shadowing with me, please consider joining my channel. By helping me, I can help you. All right? So support me so I can support you. Okay? So I really, really appreciate that. Hit the join button and a pop-down menu will appear and you can see the different levels and different benefits of being a member. So please do that. And I have a Patreon page also to support me and this channel. I also have a website, markkulek.com, that has flashcards and worksheets that go with my videos. Yeah. And I have books and other things, and all the different ways you can support me and the channel are listed in the descriptions below. So I hope you consider doing that. That would really be great. All right, everyone. Like I said, thank you so much. Thank you for shouting with me. Thank you for being here with me. I really, really appreciate your kind support. Okay? So I will see you again. Yes. With another shadowing of you and me. Another video of you and me shadowing together. Yes. You and me shadowing together. Okay? So I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.